Tired of the gamble that comes with buying used equipment? What if you could get the reliability of new with the value of pre-owned? Introducing Premier Assured from Van Wall Equipment. This isn't your average pre-owned machine. Each one is a premium, certified piece of equipment, meticulously inspected by our factory-trained technicians to meet the highest quality standards. With Premier Assured, you get equipment that's less than 2 years old and meets strict engine hour limitations. Your investment is protected. Every Premier Assured machine comes with a 24-month comprehensive PowerGard protection plan. We stand by our equipment so much that we guarantee a loaner machine at no extra cost if your machine is in the shop more than 48 hours during the season. Plus, you'll get a 2-year interest waiver from John Deere Financial. Don't settle for less. Get the assurance you deserve. Contact us today or visit our website to find your Premier Assured machine and get back to work with confidence.